everyone, this is Icy from SINOMADA Heavy Industry Company Limited. We are an exporter of construction machinery over 15 years. Today I'm at Sunny Factory. Hunan Intelligent Machinery Company Limited, founded in 1995, is one of the large-scale professional machinery leading companies in Hunan province. I'm honored to show you some wholesale models. Come visit with me. As you can see, what I want to introduce to you today is the concrete mixing plant. I believe that many customers are familiar with this equipment and will use it in many projects. The model I want to introduce to you today is the HZ120. Now let's see more details. This model is named after its product, so we can know that this model can theoretically produce 120 cubic meters of concrete an hour. The mixer charging volume is 2,000 liters. The maximum particle size of aggregate is 80 millimeters. The batching volume is 3,200 liters, and there are 4 aggregate species. The powder silo and aggregate silo are optional. The capacity of powder silo is 150 tons each, and the capacity of aggregate silo is 20 cubic meters each. If you don't need it or need more, we can communicate. It's worth mentioning that its control system adopts a touch screen and computer synchronous production management control system with 3 working modes: fully automatic, semi-automatic, and manual, making this production control more comfortable. These are some machines about Sunny. If you want to know more about it, so you can contact me. See you next time. Bye bye.